Hello, and welcome back to XRP Vault, where we bring you the most recent and intriguing XRP news. We're giving away 10,000 XRP to those who are watching. All you have to do is upvote, subscribe, comment XRP is king, and watch the video to the end to be eligible. The winners will be picked next month and publicized on the community page of the channel. Ripple. What might the price of Ripples be in the future? XRP is one of the first and best-known cryptocurrencies, and it currently has the greatest institutional support of any coin. Will XRP reach the $1 threshold by April? Let's first take a look at the value of Ripple and its position in the market before moving on. How realistic are these notions though? If you ever thought whether Ripple would make a decent investment, so may XRP have a higher value than Bitcoin? We will examine some of the most reliable Ripple predictions to determine the potential value of the cryptocurrency from April 2023 to August 2023. Check out this new video as soon as possible if this sounds like something that would be of interest to you. Similar to Ethereum, whose name is frequently used to refer to both its payment network and its native currency, Ripple was initially introduced in 2012. Strictly speaking, the platform is known as RippleNet, and its cryptocurrency is known as Ripple, XRP, or just XRP. It's frequently just listed as XRP on exchanges. The maximum supply of Ripple, which was formerly known as OpenCoin, is 100 billion XRP. The maximum supply of XRP offers asset supply and demand characteristics that are comparable to those of Bitcoin, although it will take a lot longer for XRP to be seen as scarce due to its significantly greater supply. Rival cryptocurrencies to Ripple XRP include Stellar Lumens. Real competitors for Ripple may not be new cryptocurrencies but rather well-known payment processors like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. One of the most crucial actions to take if you want to make intelligent investments is to examine the past performance of XRP cryptocurrency. So let's examine the price history of Ripple and how the Ripple XRP price has evolved over time. What did Ripple do? When CoinMarketCap initially began keeping track of the price of XRP, XRP was the earliest price. It was sold on August 5, 2013, for the pitiful sum of $0.005613. What is XRP's all-time high? On January 4, 2018, XRP rose to an all-time high of $3.84. Describe why Ripple XRP is at a record low. On July 7, 2014 and July 7, 2022, XRP dropped to an all-time low of $0 to $802. A 52-week high of 91 cents and a 52-week low of 29 cents were reached by XRP, which began the year at a price of 83 cents. XRP will remain at 34 cents until 2022. 2021 is a more recent date. Price swings for Ripples have been substantially more extreme than in prior years. They may not think so if they're looking at XRP today, but Ripple was a highly volatile asset even before the 2018 bull run. Several investors are currently interested in the Ripple price forecasts, and the general advice is to buy. The price performance of XRP is important to notice since, despite generally following the market, and more specifically, Bitcoin, it had difficulty gaining the attention it deserved during the most recent bull run due to its legal dispute with the SEC. In addition to examining Ripple's past prices, it's critical to pinpoint the critical variables that might have an impact on its price in the future. This will make it simpler for you to formulate predictions based on current cryptocurrency trends and determine whether or not to invest in Ripple with this knowledge. The Ripple XRP platform, Brad Garland House, and Chris Larson were sued by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, in late December 2020 for selling unregistered securities for $1.3 billion. Garland House referred to the lawsuit as an assault on cryptocurrency in general. Also, although the incident hasn't yet had a particularly negative impact on XRP's price, investors should anticipate a price drop if the lawsuit is successful. Garland House stated in a statement that the SEC's decision to allow XRP to operate as a currency for more than 8 years was fundamentally incorrect as a matter of law and fact. We also question why this move was made just days before the administration changed. The introduction of new cryptocurrency laws is anticipated to have an impact on the market price of practically all cryptocurrencies. Yet, as was already indicated in this post, many analysts think that Ripple would be better able to withstand strict government involvement. Hence, new restrictions may increase investor uncertainty and drive down the cost of traditional cryptos. These might drive up the cost of Ripple, the existence of bots, as it were. The price of cryptocurrencies can be heavily manipulated on cryptocurrency exchanges. Large holders known as bots use software to perform trades automatically and frequently on a multitude of different platforms and assets at once. This leads to artificially induced volatility, which in turn affects the up or down movement of cryptocurrency prices. The likelihood of a price increase is increased by the higher the demand and the smaller the supply are for any given cryptocurrency. The value of Ripple is strictly regulated by its parent company, Ripple Labs, unlike cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. In order to manage the price, the corporation now owns more than half of all Ripple tokens. The market would be flooded with fresh tokens if Ripple Labs were to immediately sell these off, which would have a significant impact on the price. I want to tell you a little bit about the Expo before I proceed. A market maker is a self-contained liquidity provider. The decentralization of cryptocurrency trading is aided by someone donating their crypto assets to a platform. When you utilize DEX, you can receive incentives and fees from trading on that platform, which many people regard as a type of passive income. A blockchain asset management protocol known as automatic compounding combines data analytics and optimization approaches to automatically combine rewards and produce the maximum potential compound interest rate. These protocols often invest one or more times per day in the returns or involvement of LP users to increase APY. It is crucial to make it clear that anyone can use DSpool to offer liquidity to decentralized platforms like Uniswap, SushiSwap, and other similar ones. Additionally, there are many advantages to making this kind of long-term investment, including the fact that you can earn rewards while your cryptocurrency is still in staking and that decentralized platforms based on blockchains that coordinate crypto trading on a massive scale among many users are entirely powered by automated algorithms. If you use the URL provided in the video description, you can collect Dixwell's special welcome registration bonus. This incentive entails receiving as much as 100 XRP. That is a liquidity bonus for attendance. When you make a deposit, you will only be eligible for this bonus. One of the most popular buzzwords in the financial sector at the moment is digital transformation. PwC research from 2017 shows that more than one-third, 35% of the largest UK organizations, have selected a leader for the increasingly important digital transformation. The big question on everyone's mind right now is whether or not XRP will reach the $1 threshold in April. Please remember to subscribe to our channel and use the notification feature so that you may be among the first to learn about new developments with XRP. XRP experienced a busy 2021. We have separated the most recent XRP price prediction into short-term and long-term segments to make it easier to understand. Our estimate indicates that, in the near term, the average price of XRP will be $1.12 in April 2023. And $1.20 would be the highest fee that may be charged in May 2023. Furthermore, based on our analysis and the long-term XRP price forecast, the average price of XRP will be $1.45 in June 2023, and $1.53 would be the highest possible price for August 2023. Analysts concur that XRP will hit $5. It seems fairly likely. Crypto experts predict that the XRP currency will continue to rise in the near future, reaching a potential high of $5.20. 23 prime XBT projects that level for XRP, with a potential high of $7 on the very last day of 2023. The cryptocurrency market is expanding daily. Now, a lot of people are permanently concentrating on this industry. When it comes to cryptocurrency trading, there are a variety of ways to advance, and the possibilities are virtually unlimited. We have seen a wide range of physical assets turn into digital assets in the 21st century. The market for cryptocurrencies has grown much more recently, with many coins outperforming earlier predictions. For instance, the value and notoriety of Bitcoin have consistently increased. Crypto traders are now all interested in investing after becoming aware of this new market and other prominent coins like Ethereum and Ripple. Particularly Ripple is expected to appreciate in value. As a result, there are two extreme scenarios for Ripple in 2023, with an endless number of grayscale possibilities in between. It is quite possible that the price of XRP will soar to $5 or more in 2023, depending on how the legal cards are dealt. A harsher decision might, however, push the token's price down below its current level of 36 cents per token. So, it is nearly impossible to predict the Ripple's future in the relatively short term. The cryptocurrency is anticipated to experience tremendous growth in the upcoming years, according to XRP price predictions. Leading experts' projections and information are drastically inconsistent. So anyone who decides to invest in XRP could profit if even the most pessimistic predictions come true. This is not monetary guidance. Just my opinion, really. Investors should exercise caution because Ripple's legal battle with the SEC has not yet been resolved. Although it appears as though Ripple will win, nothing is certain at this stage, and if the SEC prevails, it could severely damage the price of XRP. On the other hand, XRP will recover even more powerfully if Ripple defeats the SEC. To banks and other institutions, it will appear almost unbeatable, and it can result in additional investments. Institutional investors might perceive XRP as impervious to regulation and possibly the safest investment choice available in the cryptocurrency market. If you're thinking of adding Ripple to your portfolio, you must have a solid risk management strategy in place because investing in cryptocurrencies is notoriously dangerous. Yet, cryptocurrency trends indicate that XRP's value will eventually increase by almost 700% before 2025. These projections and the counsel of Ripple Labs CEO Brad Garlinghouse suggest that buying Ripple XRP is the wisest course of action. If you're willing to play the long game, the price may rise dramatically, and the charts indicate that it might be a wise investment for those who are willing to hold on to positions for the long term. We have now reached the conclusion of this movie, guys. If you found it enjoyable, kindly click the like button. Don't forget to hit the notification button and subscribe. I find that the YouTube algorithm is greatly aided by this. Sharing this video with as many people as you can will also help enlighten others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Let's spread the word about this, guys. Don't miss any of our stuff if you are a serious Bitcoin enthusiast. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our entire community.